Hi guys, this is Hia Sapphire Rucker. I am absolutely new to YouTube, and I just set up my account yesterday, and if you want to go check out my first video, it's Isaac's randomly singing. He was randomly singing Happy Birthday earlier today, and I won't be posting things for a while, probably a week or so, because I have been out of school for 2 weeks because I'm sick and I'm still sick. And I will be catching up with all of them. You should totally go check out my friends, like T-Fisher88. T-Fisher88 has some pretty funny stuff, and he has some good collection videos of 50 sci-fi monsters if you're into that. He could probably tell you where to get it. I couldn't. I can tell you how to get things for like K-pop or J-rock groups or anything like that. I will also put up videos of my ADHD funness, of hyperspasm, or just anything that I feel post-worthy. Leave a comment in the comment section below of suggestions that you would like to see on this channel. I want to include my viewers and any viewers that I have into my videos as much as possible. And yeah. And please don't do chain letters, because I will probably just end up deleting those comments off the page. So if you're going to do chain letters, go put them on somebody else's channel, please. Because those are a little annoying to me, honestly. Because I've never seen someone's tombstone that has said, died from not forwarding a chain letter. Never seen that. Probably never will. I doubt it. But, yeah, go post whatever you want to in the comment section. Any funny things that I should do, you think I should do, any people that you think I should imitate that are on YouTube that's easy to find on YouTube. And if you want to learn basic Korean or Japanese, just leave a comment in the section below and tell me what you want to know, and I should post that up for you. Okay? So this is Hia Sapphire Rucker signing out.